All right, we're up here gathering up some logs that he cut yesterday. He is taking the brush out this road to the edge of our property to dispose of the branches and leaves and stuff. The deer will use it as cover. Boy, so nice up in here. Here's some of the logs we're going to take back for firewood and to mill on the Frontier OS 31. He's got an order for a rabbit hutch and a few other things. It's nice and cool in here, and it is hot and humid. I'm not sure what he's doing. Besides giving me a headache because he's stuck. Is he getting ready to go over the bank? I don't know. And this is how shit breaks. There's no way he's getting out of this, back up this hill. None. Brilliant. Great plan. Yeah, I saw. So I'm going to go. Because now he's got to push shit over to get out. Mother of God. This wasn't the plan. But you have men that have toys, and they never stick to the plan. I think he needs a helmet. Do you want your helmet and face shield? You want your helmet and face shield? I know the grapevines are bad. I'd like to. What road? So I don't know if this is picking it up or not, but this is level. I don't know if you can see how steep it is or how far down in we are. That's all downhill. Where are you putting that? Why don't you just put them all? Do you need me to move? Do you want to put them right there? How many can you carry at once? 2, 3?
Probably just 2. Those down there are 1.
All right, well, I'll move.
Do it right here against this tree, I guess. So there's 1, 2, 3 over there, then there's 4 here, and those down there can go someplace else. The rest of it's all firewood. I need them to point this way so when you're pulling them with the tractor, you know what I mean?
I need a gummy to watch this stuff some days. We're going to get these up. Well, he's going to get these up. No! Oh,
right, guys, girls, gents, peeps. Finally got these guys all down here to the wood yard. Oh man, there's another bug getting me. Anyways, so off camera, down that way. I had 2 cherry logs that were blown over in a storm. They've been actually the stumps are still in the ground, so they technically weren't dead. But that's some of the smaller stuff you see right in here. But yeah, so I've got everything down here. This sucks. This sucks bad, man. This thing's checked like crazy. So yeah, that's a bummer. Nothing I can do about it though, right? We'll just cut around it, cut through it. Cherry, the pith isn't any good anyways. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, well, 17, 18, all right, 19. I brought down 19 logs. And if you count this one right there, that big dude, that is actually from a video months and months and months ago. So it's been laying here, well, it was in the fall of last year, so we're getting close to like 8-9 months it's been here. Now it was anchor sealed. These I did not anchor seal. These probably should have. Oh, it is hot, people. And as my buddy Jerry says, you can see the air. It is rough. But anyways, so this is all going to be turned into projects. I've got rabbit hutch for a customer, a cat house for a customer. Possibly, she hasn't pulled the trigger 100% because of the transportation. But if she can find transportation, that's another rabbit hutch. Because I don't deliver. What would I do with a 600-pound rabbit hutch once I got it there? Like, tie it to a tree and drive away? I don't know. So I don't deliver. I don't have any way to do that. So, what else? I've got feeders. And I have like goat hay feeders. That's what I'm trying to do. So this is all going to be turned into stuff like that. And I also am advertising on Marketplace, Facebook, our Facebook site, and Marketplace for chicken coops now. Anyways, so I got these 19 logs down here. We're probably gonna be milling here pretty soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's entertaining. I hope it shows you what it takes to actually cut your own trees, skid your own trees, and now we're going to be milling our own trees. So it's one thing to pick up the phone and call a log company and have them deliver, $1,500, $900, $1,000, $1,500 worth of stuff and set it there beside your mill and you go to town with it. It's a completely other thing. This is why you should know how to do these tasks. Because if you have a sawmill, and you should have a sawmill, if you're a homesteader, prepper, survivalist, you need to be out here. You need to have a sawmill. You need to be able to, and then you need to stock up on hardware, nails, screws, latches, hinges, wire, anything you need to be able to build something on your homestead whenever Lowe's and Home Depot and whoever else you guys have, Menards, nobody's around. You can't get anything. Or your money that they print on a constant basis isn't worth the freaking paper it's made of. So this is money in the bank. This is security. So This helps build community. You know, these people that are ordered these rabbit hutch from me, great people. They've become friends, and I've only met them once. Like-minded, and they recognize quality and hard work. So hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. We're going to get the milling. Peace out, people.